How to change profile picture on Roblox Mobile. Step 1, you just have to open your Roblox application. This is what it looks like. Step 2, tap your profile picture. Step 3, click edit profile picture, and then here you can select any emote to post your avatar. So we have here shrug, we have here point, stadium, hello, and you could also purchase other posts here for your avatar, but you have to pay for 25 Robux. Okay, you can shop for more if you want. So once you have chosen the best pose for your avatar or change your pose, step 4, you just have to click next. And then here, you can adjust the position of the camera for your avatar. You can adjust zoom and you can also adjust rotate. So you can change zoom and then rotate here. Then once you're done, click save. Okay, and then step 5, you can also customize your avatar here. Tap customize. And then there you can see tons of options and different types of features. For example, for characters, if you want to change your character here, I think there is one available character for you or for my Roblox here. I can tap this character to change my avatar. Okay, so tap this one. Also, you can change clothing if you want, but always remember that you can only change that if these items are for free. Some items here are not for free. And in order for you to wear that or to add that to your avatar, you need to pay for that. Okay? Anyways, you can change clothing. You can even add accessories for your avatar. In this way, or adding some items like this can totally change your character, can change your profile, can change your avatar here. Okay? Because it adds something to your avatar. Okay, and then after that, if you want to get this character for free, you just have to click free. As simple as that. And then, so as you can see here, I am going to change my avatar. So I just have to click this customize here, click purchase, and then click that avatar that I purchased earlier that is for free. Okay, and then step 6, all you have to do is to click switch to change your profile or to change everything on your avatar here in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.